Hello, this is my app called Locate. So with Locate, this eliminates a lot of the wasted time that you spend either calling stores, looking on their websites, or driving to stores for certain products. If you've run out of a product, a lot of people will automatically go out to a store to pick up a new one without knowing whether they have that item in stock or not. So this app kind of eliminates that wasted time that you spend trying to actually locate an item. So this is the home screen. And as soon as you press get started, it goes to the next screen, which is the home page, where it shows you at the top the image and the icon, and then a little summary of what the app is about. And then at the bottom, it has the product search, the store search, and the favorites button. So if you press product search, it brings you to this screen, which is the search screen. In the top bar at this top right here, you can put in the product name, and then it'll bring up the product name, description, and how much the price is normally. And then as you can see in the top left hand corner, there is a home button, and then all three of the buttons that were at the bottom still remain at the bottom. The next screen is the store search screen. So this is where you can search where that product exactly is and how close it is to your house by putting in your zip code in the search bar at the top. And then the stores will pop up in a list of different stores with the names, the address, and how much of that product is at that store in like numerical order with how close they are to your house. And then the home button remains at the top as well as the three bottom buttons. And then the next screen is the favorites button. So this is where you can favorite a product. So this is like the frequently used shampoos or soaps or however it is that you use. And they would all go listed here, just the product names. And then if you were to click on them, it would bring up the further description of the product. And then in this top new button, this is a grocery list button. So pretty much you can click on this button, and once you go there, you can type in the groceries that you need to get at this store. So that is the paper prototype. And then over here is my user flowcharts. So the first one is Riley's scenario. This is a college student and a frequent shopper who enjoys using the app to save all of her favorite and common use products. She uses it to make her shopping list and to determine if those items are currently in stock. And when she uses it, she immediately either goes to the product search if she's looking for a new product, or her favorites where her shopping list lives. So as you can see, it starts at the home page, and then she either goes to product search or favorites, and then down to both of those, you either get to the search bar and then the product name into her favorites, or from the favorites, you immediately go to the shopping list, which you can get to the shopping list as well from your favorites on that. The second user flow is Brian's scenario, and he is recently out of college and starting his full-time job. He's just trying to be more organized, and he's the first-time user of the app. So on here, this is where since he's new, he doesn't go immediately to the favorites. So he starts at the home page, then goes to store search, then to the search bar, product name, and then that brings him to his zip code where he can find it in the nearest store. And then he can either add it to his favorites or he can add it to his grocery list in that top part corner. And so pretty much this is just the app that eliminates all of that useless time wasted.